How to create a new Microsoft account. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you want to create a brand new account on Microsoft, all you have to do is go onto your browser and search for Microsoft. Once you search for Microsoft, click on the first link over here, which is to Microsoft.com. Once you click on this link, you're going to click on sign in on the top right. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to sign in. Now, because we are looking to create a brand new account, we're going to click on No Account, Create One. So click on Create One over here to create your new Microsoft account. Now, we're going to click on Get a New Email Address to get our new email address. Now, you can use your own previous email address if you want, but I want to create a new one, and you have two options. You can either choose at outlook.com or at hotmail.com. And I want this to be called Lily Guides You at outlook.com. No, not the Lily. I just wanted to say Lily Guides You at Outlook, and I'm going to click on next, and this is available. So because this is available, I can proceed with creating a suitable password. So I'm just going to create my password like this, and then click on next. Then you're going to complete your information. And once you do that, you're going to confirm your birth date. So I'm just going to enter that over here as well and then click on next. Once you click on next, this is going to ask you to verify that you are not a robot. So we're going to click on next and we're going to beat the robot. So use the arrows to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. I'm going to rotate this so the object and the image are facing the same direction. So I'm going to click on submit. Now this one is done. And now I can continue our action because we've proved that we are not a human, so you just complete this CAPTCHA, and once you do that, your account will be created. So now you can proceed with setting up a passkey. You can skip this as well, but if you want, you can set up your passkey or a fingerprint or a PIN that ensures that your Microsoft account is protected at all times. And now that we've done that, we can see our account on the top right, and we can proceed with using some of the extraordinary features of Microsoft. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.